this isn't your wallet yet, just give it a minute, because it's about to be. I'm going to break down how to completely drain a coin and secure some serious profits. Currently, we are on Pump Fun, but just wait a second. Before I reveal the exact steps, you must know the proper way to launch your coin. And if the idea of using Pump Fun even crosses your mind, stop right there. If you take a look at Photon and use the Pump Fun DEX filter, you can see that new meme coins are popping up every few seconds. Look at the top 2 coins, for example. Those coins don't even stand a chance. The market is way too crowded, and since anyone can launch a token there, it's nearly impossible to succeed. That's why I'm going to show you better methods than this. But watch this. When you check out Radium and set the filters, you'll instantly notice that there's barely any competition. In the past 5 minutes, only 4 new coins have been listed. And guess what? Buyers are actively looking for these launches. Just glance at these huge liquidity, market cap, and volume numbers. Absolutely insane. So why is everyone rushing to buy these coins? Because launching on Radium isn't for amateurs. It takes genuine coding knowledge. That alone makes buyers feel way more confident. That's why we need to go with Radium. Here's how to do it. I recently found out about launchtool.io, and this thing is just next level. It allows you to get your coin live on Radium without writing a single line of code or overthinking. All it takes is a few clicks, and you're all set. You know what? I've been using this method for the past month, and the money I've made is honestly crazy. As you might know, we need to create the logo first. I just looked up a solid logo for my coin on Google. As always, I like to base my projects on animals. But this time, it's about dogs. Now jump into Canva, simply create a 128 by 128 pixel design. Adjust the image so it fits well into this white background, and go to the share button and download it. Done in seconds, guys. Now go to Launch Tool and enter the correct details about your meme coin. For the token name, I'll put official BOBY. And for the symbol, I'll simply put BOBY. Here we have the description. I'll fill it with something like "Dog in a blue cycling cap by Allison Friend became a meme coin." For the token logo, just attach the logo that you created and proceed. Now we can choose decimals and token supply, but we don't want to touch anything as we are going to need that 1 billion supply in a short time. So stand by and just press next. As you can see, we have the creator name and creator website options. But let me tell you, it's totally unnecessary because it charges 0.1 Solana, and in my opinion, it's not worth a dime. So I'll just click on that switch and move on. Social media links are not necessary at all. If you would like to, you can add your links, but I'll just skip it. Here we have revoke authorities. Listen up, you don't want to touch anything here. Why? Let me give you just one example. The revoke mint option allows you to mint more tokens. So turning off revoke mint allows you to mint unlimited coins. If buyers of your coin see that you disabled any of those options, they won't even bother buying your coin because it will look untrustworthy. So don't touch any of those and click launch my token. Just wait a second and your wallet will show up. Press confirm to approve the required transaction and your token will officially be created. Now you have all the details about your coin that you can check, but I'll just simply click view on SolScan. Amazing. Our coin officially exists on the Solana network. Alright, now we need to go to Launch Tool again and create a liquidity pool so our coin can be traded. So just click Create Liquidity Pool, and just like that, you are sent straight to Radium. If your wallet isn't connected, follow my steps. And after you connect the wallet, you need to set your meme coin as the base token. So just click on it and the menu will show up. Just go back to Launch Tool, copy the token's address, and paste it in this search tab. Now you want to enter the details about your coin. I'll just put BOBY as the symbol and official BOBY as the name. Just press the add user token so we can go on to the next step. We have 1 billion supply, but you want to add 900 million because that's a regular amount for meme coins. For the quote token, use Solana. You can max this out since you are the first buyer of your coin, meaning you won't lose any money. Here you can see that Radium charges 0.2 Solana when you want to create the liquidity pool. So just trim down the total amount by 0.2 Solana. Below, you have the fee tier. Select 2%, just in case you want to check if you entered the right details about your coin. And if you did, simply initialize the liquidity pool and press confirm. We got a pop-up saying that the pool was created successfully, which means that our coin exists on Photon's list. Here on Photon, you can already see that our coin is available for trading, so be prepared to get some buy orders. Now we want to see the chart of our coin. Head over to deckscreener.com and literally press on any coin. Just wait a bit until it loads. Now go to Launch Tool, copy the address from your token, and just swap a random coin's address with the address you copied from Launch Tool, and of course hit enter on your keyboard. Just like that, we can see the chart of our coin. Oh, I almost forgot, down here in the order book, you can already see some orders, but they're just bot trades. Alright, I'll just wait a couple of minutes until an order comes in. Amazing, we got our first order already, but you know what? I'll wait a bit more to see what else we could expect. As you can see, our liquidity is $238 and our market cap is $623. So let's see how much both can grow. Yep, we got another order that is almost $80 and it's worth 0.59 Solana. And look, an order is made just 20 seconds ago. We're doing amazing so far. Guys, keep in mind that you don't need any marketing to do all of this. You can literally do the process over and over again. This method is just overpowered. While we're waiting, no way! We got our third huge buy order already. Wow. It's worth $115 and it's 0.87 Sol. Watch this giant chart. Damn. It grew up by 8,600%. That's some next level stuff indeed. I'm very satisfied with this. So it's time to pull the profit out into our wallet. Take notes now. Go straight to Radium. Just connect your wallet and press the standard button down here. Then click on the minus button like this. Put 100% of the amount and press the remove liquidity button so you can take out your lovely profit. Just confirm and bingo. Take a look at your Phantom wallet and you will see some incredible numbers. I only invested $77, but I made $230, which is my total profit. Now let me tell you something, folks. I'm not associated with Launch Tool, Radium, and Photon in any way. All the things that you've seen are just for educational purposes. Right now, this method is still crushing it, and the profits are rolling in. Take action before it disappears.